Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Few things are more frustrating than seeing the message, your payment method was declined on your iPhone, especially when you know your card should work. Whether you're trying to download an app, renew a subscription, or make a quick purchase, this error can stop everything instantly. The good news is that in most cases, the issue is easy to fix. First, start by checking your payment details. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then go to Payment and Shipping. Make sure your card number, expiration date, and billing address are correct. Even a small mismatch, like an old ZI code or a missing apartment number, can cause Apple to decline the payment. Next, confirm that your card is still active and has sufficient balance or credit. Sometimes banks temporarily block online or international transactions for security reasons. If your card works elsewhere but not on Apple services, your bank may be flagging the transaction. A quick call or a check in your banking app can often resolve this instantly. If everything looks correct, try removing the payment method and adding it again. This refreshes the connection between your card and Apple's system. While you're there, make sure your card is set as the default payment method, especially if you have multiple cards linked to your Apple ID. Another common cause is an unpaid balance. Even a small, failed charge from a previous purchase can block all new transactions. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, and check for any pending or unpaid amounts. Clearing that balance often fixes the problem immediately. You should also check for any iOS updates. An outdated system can sometimes cause payment verification issues. Updating your iPhone ensures Apple Pay and App Store services are working smoothly. Finally, if none of these steps work, sign out of your Apple ID, restart your iPhone, and sign back in. This simple reset can fix account-level glitches that trigger payment errors. In most cases, following these steps will get your payment method working again within minutes. If the issue still persists, Apple support can help identify account-specific restrictions. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be stuck on the same error.